Well, here's a tunnel I'd never been in before, so I thought I would make a quick little video of it. It's called the Cumberland Gap Tunnel, and looks like kind of a short tunnel, not too long. Kind of an interesting entrance, one that I haven't seen on many tunnels, or any of them actually. Pretty nice tunnel actually though. Cumberland Gap. Looks like I just crossed over into Kentucky through this tunnel. Pretty interesting there. Probably right after this tunnel will be a welcome to Kentucky sign. Since I've never been through this tunnel, I know I don't have a picture of that. And I think that I could take a picture while I'm making a video. And I think I see a Kentucky sign. So let me see about this picture taken while I'm making a video. It's a small Kentucky sign, but it's there. There we go. Kentucky, Kentucky, Kentucky. Welcome to Kentucky. I crossed state lines in a tunnel. That's beautiful. This video, I know, doesn't do that view justice. It's amazing.